In this video, I'll show you how to add titles and lower thirds into your production. Then I'll demonstrate how you can use these as either an overlay with transition effects or as a multi-view effect. Finally, I'll show you how to use the free vMix title designer to create your own templates. First, open vMix and click the Add Input button. Click the Title tab to display a number of built-in templates in a number of different categories such as titles, scoreboards, and tickers. Add the News HD title by double-clicking it. The title editor window will appear, allowing you to edit the text in the title. In this template, there are headline and description fields which can be changed. Changes will automatically appear live on the output as you're updating them. To disable this automatic update, click the Live button to turn it off. Then you can type in your updates and then click Live again to update them on screen. Text presets can be created by clicking the plus icon. To recall a preset, simply click on it. It's also possible to change the font, size, and color from the title editor toolbar. Once you've finished making changes, close the title editor window. To get back to the title editor, simply right-click the input and click Title Editor. You can also select one of the title presets from here. vMix includes 4 built-in overlay channels, each with its own customizable transition effect and position. To display the title over the top of the video, simply left-click one of the numbered buttons underneath the title. You can also right-click any of these buttons to preview the overlay. To change the overlay transition effect, click the Overlay button in the bottom right-hand corner of vMix. From here you can select one of the 4 overlay channels and then change the effect and duration. Select the slide effect and click OK. The title will now slide in and out. To change the position of the overlay, click Picture-in-Picture from the Type drop-down box and adjust the pan and zoom settings. You can also drag the mouse over the right-hand window to move the overlay, and you can also hold down the Shift key to zoom. Now I can click one underneath one of the videos to display it as an overlay using a picture-in-picture effect. I can also right-click the one button to zoom in or out. In addition to overlay, multi-view can be used to combine multiple inputs together. First, we need to create a new blank input to use as a blank canvas. Click Add Input, select Color, and click OK. Double-click the new color input to open up the Input Settings window, and then click the Multi-View tab. Here I can select up to 5 different inputs, and from the right, select how I'd like them to be displayed. Select Video 1 and Video 2, and then click the side-by-side template. The position of each input can also be moved with the mouse. hold down Shift to adjust the zoom. You can also click the position buttons to adjust each input manually. To add a title to this input, select the title from one of the spare drop-down boxes. Close the Input Settings window, and you will see the multi-view input can be used just like any other input. Click it once to preview it, and then click Fade to transition to output. vMix Title Designer is included with vMix as a separate free application and allows you to combine your own graphics with text to create your own title templates. Click the vMix Title Designer icon in the Start menu to open. Then click Add Image and browse for a graphic you have already created as a PNG. You can use any program to create these graphics such as Photoshop, but make sure it is exported as a PNG to preserve transparency. You can drag the image to position it, or enter in the coordinates manually from the Position window. Click Add Text to add a new text box to vMix Title Designer. You can drag this and position this anywhere within the title as well. From the Properties window, you can also change the color and the font. To change the default text, double-click the text box. Once we've finished our template, click Save to save it to disk. To use our new title template, click Add Input, select the Title tab, and then click Browse. Browse for the new template and click OK. Our template will now appear as a new input, and we can edit the text right from within vMix. I can also use the overlay buttons just like any other title. If I want to edit the text again of my template, I can right-click and select Title Editor. I can also use one of the additional overlay channels to create my own unique transition effect for just this title. So click Overlay again to open up the Overlay Settings window, and we'll select Overlay number 4. We'll now select a Fly transition effect, and we'll make the transition effect duration a bit longer. So let's make it 1000 milliseconds, and then click OK. Now when I use the 4 button under my custom template, the title will fly in. And if I click the button again, the title will fly out.